Hello everybody, it's me Robin from Web Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take automatic backup for your WordPress website. This is a really very simple way. I'm going to show you how you can take backup very easily, which will take backup automatically in a day or in a week or in a month. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster, which will be a big support for us. We are going to use a plugin. So hover on plugin and click on add new. In the search bar, search for UpdraftPlus plugin. And we can see the plugin at the top with 3 million active installation, which is so much, and all the reviews are 5-star. Last updated 2 weeks ago. This is the perfect plugin. So install now, and after installing, activate. Yeah, our plugin has been activated successfully, and then you will get a new option under settings. You will see UpdraftPlus backups. So click on there, and then you can see here backup now button. You can backup your website right now, but make sure there have a good setting. So click on settings, files backup schedule. If you want to do this manually, you can do this manually, or if you want automatically, you can do this also. If you want to take a backup in every 2 hours, you can do it every 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, fortnightly, means in a 50 days it will take a backup. If you do a lot of changes, then you can check every 4 hours, 8 hours, or daily. If you don't do so much changes, then you can set weekly. I recommend weekly. And database is a very important part. Select for this weekly and retain this many scheduled backups. What does it mean? It means how many latest backup will remain there. If you select here 5, the latest 5 backups will remain on your Google Drive or Dropbox. If you select 2, then last 2 backup will remain, and when the third backup will come, then the last backup will be deleted and the latest 2 backup will remain. So for database, I recommend also 2, and from here you have to select where you want to keep your backup files. I am going to do this through Dropbox. So click on Dropbox, and then you will see some changes. Include in files backup, which files you want to include. Plugins, themes, uploads, keep same how it is right now. And then email, you can check this email if you want to get notification when backup has done, and then make save changes. And then you have to click here to link your Dropbox. For this you have must need to log into your Dropbox account. After Dropbox, you will get a allow button before this page. Then just make allow and then click on complete setup. It's back to the Updraft settings, and then now you can simply click backup now, and don't need to change anything. Just click on backup now. It's taking backup. It will take some time. You have to wait here. Yes, our backup has been taken successfully. You can see here the backup with the date, and then suppose we are going to delete all posts. Here you can see posts. Suppose unfortunately we are deleted all posts. Move to trash. Delete auto permanently. Now if you browse this website, you will not see any posts. So right now we are going to restore the backup so that we can get back everything fine how it was before. So again, go to settings to UpdraftPlus backups and scroll down, simply restore. All the plugins, themes, uploads, others, database, check everything and click on next. Now downloading the backup files. You have to wait some moment here. All backup files downloaded. Now simply click on restore. And now you can go back to UpdraftPlus configuration. And yes, our restore has been done. Now we can browse the site. Now if we browse the site, then we will see our all posts. Those are backed. First we can take it from backend. Go to posts and you will see our posts has been restored. Some moments ago we deleted all those posts permanently, but they are back right now. And now if you reload the site, you will see the posts. Oh, nothing is here. Maybe those happening for case. So I am going to open this website in new incognito window. Reload the site. And now you can see our site is back. So in this way you can easily take backup automatically of your WordPress website and you can restore the site very easily. And please make sure you have subscribed our channel. Your subscription is very helpful for us. I will make more useful tutorial in future. Thank you.